High-torque bolts on turbochargers and gearboxes. Can hand tightening really guarantee every single one is right? 3 pits of high-torque fastening. The torque is high, so hands shake and torque decays late in the cycle. Studs and deep bolt holes are hard to reach and align by hand. And when something fails, you can't trace which bolt or who tightened it. This cell uses a collaborative robot with a servo tightening spindle, driving each high-torque joint by program with closed-loop torque control, stop on target, and log torque and angle for every bolt. Station 1. Turbo and housing bolts. Plus or minus 0.03 millimeters repeatability lands deep holes precisely, delivering stable high torque with no late decay. Station 2. Studs and hydraulic valve assembly. The robot picks the stud, aligns, threads and tightens in one flow, easily covering positions a hand can't reach. The payoff matters. Torque consistency is locked in, every bolt traceable by torque, angle and time, running both shifts unmanned, cutting quality risk and recall exposure together. Changeover is simple. Drag to teach plus program switching means a new model or torque curve is just a parameter change, no new hardware. From turbochargers to hydraulic valves, a collaborative robot turns high-torque fastening into a precise, traceable, flexible standard process. This is EVST. We make line automation real.